If you have some leftover rice, let's make it into this beautiful recipe. These are the vegetables I'm going to use: green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and some onions. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I'm going ahead to dice my chicken because this recipe calls for chicken. You can also replace the chicken with some meat, lamb, whatever that you have. I'm going to dice it and it'll be ready to go. I find it best to wash my chicken with some lemon. So I'm just rolling out the lemon to get the juice out of it properly. Squeeze it onto my chicken, leave it for like a minute or two, and then I'll wash everything out. This really gets away the chicken smell and flavor. I don't know, but then if you know, you know, it gets the chicken smell out of it, and it makes it really, really delicious and brings out the taste. So after washing it, I'm just going to set it aside. These are the spices that I'm going to use. I have some chicken seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some thyme, and some pepper. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'm going ahead to add just a little bit of oil to this. Give it a mix and I'll pour it on my chicken, ready for the next step. So with a little bit of oil in our frying pan, I'm going ahead to put my marinated chicken in the frying pan to cook it thoroughly. At this point, I'm satisfied with how my chicken has turned out. It's fried, so I'm just going to take it out and set it aside, and I'll start with my rice. So I added just a little bit of oil to the oil that already fried my chicken, and I'm going to assemble my ingredients. And I'm going to go ahead and add all my vegetable at once. I'll go ahead and mix this around for a couple of minutes to saute, and then I'll go ahead to add my seasoning to it. I'll let this saute for about 2 to 5 minutes, and I'm going ahead to add a little bit of curry, a little bit of powdered pepper. If you like pepper in your rice, go ahead to add as much pepper as you want. But I'm just going to add just a little bit of this to it. Saute it for about a minute. Add Maggi cube to it. I'll go ahead to add my rice, add my chicken, and this is what we have. Just for a little bit of color, I'm going ahead to add, I added a little bit of vegetable to this. And I'll go ahead to add my soy sauce to it just to give it a pop of color. And your rice is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching up to this point. Please do go to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.